All right, everybody, welcome back to In the Kitchen with the Plant Based Nutritionista. I got the Honorable, the Reverend Dr. Xavier Johnson here with me today. Listen, he is talking about how his life has been changed because he is eating more whole plant foods. Tell him what happened to you in 6 months.
I was telling Ethel that, you know, the year I turned 40, I also went to the doctor and got this interesting diagnosis. All of a sudden, I was a diabetic. I didn't know it. In our families, everybody got the sugar, but nobody talks about it. And mine was bad. And me and my doctor, who's an African American man, who's an amazing guy, he told me, hey, man, you got a couple options. You can either manage this, you can beat this, or you can let it kill you. And I chose to beat it. And I went out and hired a personal trainer. But more importantly, I got in my kitchen and I completely changed my diet. And literally in 6 months, I went from a double digit A1C
Mm,
down to an A1C in the fours.
wow.
I was only on medication for like 3 to 4 months before my doctor took me off of it. And now, everything is fine. Everything is managed. I have a continuous glucose monitor, but that's only for the sake of mindfulness. So that as I eat things, I am mindful that this could affect my blood sugar. But I'm great. And it's because of the kind of things that Ethel is teaching and writing about and presenting about. And so I am grateful for her and her dope work.
Awesome. Yo, this is good. This is what people need to hear. I think people are afraid to eat more plants because they're like, is it going to taste good? Yes, it can taste good. I think we have to learn how to cook again.
Facts.
I think
Facts.
that's it. Learn how to
Facts.
build flavor with other herbs and spices that God has given us to really enhance the flavor profile of our foods as opposed to the traditional salt, sugar, and fat.
I have a seasoning cabinet of, all kinds of things that I use. I think I was just telling you a minute ago. Last week, I made this really dope, like ginger, cauliflower, carrot soup
Mm.
um, with thyme and rosemary, and it tastes amazing. Like it was good comfort food, but it was also really healthy. Like I did the calorie profile on it. It was like 70 calories, no sugars, no fats that'll kill me. It's not running all of the things, right? Like it was great, low sodium, and it was filling, and I was happy, and I was watching Netflix. It was wonderful.
Oh, listen, and mental clarity and listen, I know people like to talk about this, but I guarantee you your bowels have changed for the better. Life is good in
Everything
the
is
bathroom.
life now is sweet, and my joy is complete.
Come on, Jesus.
It literally changes everything. It literally changes everything. And
That's awesome.
particularly as a black man who is now reaching middle age, so many, I tell the young brothers in the community, hey man, you cannot live life on lemon pepper chicken wings, Hennessy, and Black and Miles. My guy, that's gonna catch up with you over time, man. You got to eat right. You got to drink water, and you need to drink good water, right? Like
That
these
part.
these kinds of things. It can't be Kool-Aid, right? You need to actually drink water.
That's right. That's right. Because the body keeps score. That's exactly what I hear you saying. The body keeps score. We call it bioaccumulation. And, eventually we are a reflection of the things that we do consistently. We're a reflection of our habits, if you will.
I tell people this: the body keeps score and charges interest.
Oh, I like
Facts. The body keeps score and charges
that.
interest.
Whoa, I like that.
The thing that you do today, a year from now, you gonna get it back plus some.
Wow, I
Um,
like that. I hope, can I use that and charges interest? Y'all might hear that
ma'am,
come up in a sermon.
ma'am, it's yours to have, ma'am. It is yours to have. You can take it. Matter of fact, I won't even use it anymore. It's yours now.
Ah, thank you, Doc. I appreciate you so much. Look, there is so much more to the story, but we just gonna stop it here today. Thank you for your time. And listen, I'm the plant-based nutritionista here to inspire you to take your health back one meal at a time by eating more plants. And as you heard today, moving your body. He hired a trainer. If that's not in your budget, that's okay. Walking is free. Come on, somebody. Get up and walk. And if it's raining, that's just liquid sunshine. Get your umbrella, get your hat, obviously wisdom, but move your body every single day. All right, y'all.